Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Chloe. For today's video, we're going to make up. We're gonna use makeup, and I'm gonna make up myself. I'm only gonna use 2 items, guys, because I don't wanna add anything else. Now first, remember this, guys. Remember this. I'm the only one that can see it. Cause it's so dark, guys. It smells good. And now for the lip gloss, or I don't know. My lips looks juicy. It's like glossy.
Ano gusto mo? Naubos pa yung lipstick ko.
Hindi po.
Ano yun kasi, pang graduation nyo, pang graduation nyo pa yan. Graduation nyo.
So guys, if you like my makeup, please like and subscribe. Bye.